rice cooker are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best rice cooker from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Zojirushi NSLGC05XB Micom Rice Cooker and Warmer Multi-Menu Cooking Functions. Special settings for white mixed rice, sushi rice, brown rice, gaba brown rice, long grain white rice, steel cut oatmeal, and quick cooking triple heater. Bottom, side and lid generate heat all around 4 even heating. Up to 3 cups 0.54 liter. Capacity is measured in the approx. 6 ounces 180 ml rice measuring cup using raw short grain white rice. Other grains may vary dimensions, WXDX H918X11/7/8 inches. Detachable and washable inner lid, easy to store, retractable cord. Interchangeable melody and beep signal, removable steam vent cap, allows for high temperature cooking without messy overflows. Electrical rating: 120 volts or 450 watts. Microcomputer automatically adjusts cooking temperature and time. Number 2. COMFEE Rice Cooker, Japanese large rice cooker with fuzzy logic technology. Fuzzy logic rice cooker to achieve the ideal cooking performance. COMFEE has developed the intelligent 6-step cooking process that the steam valve and inner pot can preserve the steam and heat for perfect to simmer the fluffy rice. Every time cooking versatility. The Japanese rice cooker with 11 programs to suit eating habits like white rice, brown rice, sushi, pasta, soup, stew, sauté, steamed veggies. It can easily meet the needs of families and gatherings. Premium design. The electric rice cooker with a smart LED display panel to ease choose the means as you need. Auto keep warm for 12 hours and 24-hour delay timer. The cool touch handle prevents burning. Steam valve is easy to clean. 10 cup ultra capacity. 10 cup uncooked 5.2 QT capacity, yielding anywhere from 10 to 20 cups of cooked rice, designed for families, parties, or any other outdoor activities. The non-stick coating, the cleaning of the inner pot, is like a breeze. High safety detachable power cord, prevents accidents caused by entanglement. Lid locks firmly in place during cooking to prevent spills. Thermal fuse prevents overheating. The inner pot and accessories are all made of safe and non-toxic materials. Accessories: rice measuring cup, steamer rice paddle, soup ladle. Size: 10.8D x 13.9 watts x 10.5 H. Number 3. Toshiba Rice Cooker 6 cup uncooked Japanese rice cooker with fuzzy logic technology. Multifunction. This large rice cooker offers 7 cooking functions including mixed rice, quick rice, brown rice, white rice, multigrain rice, porridge, and steel cut oats, with settings for porridge, soup, stew, and steaming. This sticky rice cooker can handle a variety of grains, meats, and vegetables. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this Toshiba rice cooker 12 cup cooked offers great versatility and convenience. Fuzzy logic rice cooker. Fuzzy logic technology allows this Japanese rice cooker to sense the moisture content of the rice and adjust the temperature and cooking time accordingly. Results in perfectly cooked fluffy rice every time, without the need for manual adjustments or guesswork. It also helps the rice maker cooker cook other types of grains and dishes to perfection by adjusting the cooking parameters to the specific needs of the food. Easy to use, sleek and stylish. This electric rice cooker 6 cup is designed with a user-friendly interface. The digital display and menu options allow users to easily select the desired cooking program and adjust settings as needed. The keep warm function maintains the temperature of the rice for up to 15 hours. Accessories included: measuring cup, spatula, soup ladle, and steamer basket. Easy to clean. This white rice cooker is designed for easy care to produce delicious rice for years to come. Inner cooking pot has a non-stick surface that makes cleaning a breeze. Pot is not dishwasher safe and should be washed with mild soap and soft cloth. Exterior can be cleaned with a soft damp cloth. The steam valve located on the top of the lid can be easily removed for cleaning. Steam vent cap is also removable for easy cleaning. Removable large steam vent. Number 4. Toshiba Rice Cooker Small 3 cup uncooked LCD display with 8 cooking functions. Multifunction. This mini rice cooker cooks a variety of dishes, not just rice. Features 8 cooking functions, including white rice, quick cook, brown rice, mixed grain, slow cook, porridge, cake, and egg. This sticky rice cooker also makes soups, stews, oatmeal, cakes, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this Toshiba rice cooker 6-cup cooked offers great versatility and convenience, easy to clean inner pot with non-stick coating, and not recommended dishwasher safe, and should be washed with mild soap and soft cloth. The steam valve located on the top of the lid can be easily removed for cleaning. Steam vent cap is also removable for easy cleaning. Safe, hassle-free cooking. Detachable power cord prevents accidents caused by entanglement. Lid locks firmly in place during cooking to prevent spills. Thermal fuse prevents overheating. Steam vent cap prevents hot steam from escaping during cooking. Automatic shut-off turns off heating element when cooking is done. Compared to other high-end rice cookers, this Toshiba model is a great option for those on a budget who still want a quality sushi rice cooker. Warranty from Toshiba. Toshiba will provide 1-year manufacturer warranty together with your purchase. If you have any questions, please refer to customer service information in the user manual. Number 5. Young Asia Sakura rice cooker with ceramic bowl and advanced fuzzy logic. 8-cup, 1.5 liter, 6 rice cook functions. Perfect rice at the touch of a button. White long grain, short grain sushi and brown rice settings using 7 different cooking phases to automatically achieve the best taste, texture and aroma. Advanced fuzzy logic AI rice cooker technology. Computer controlled 7-phase rice cooking technology with tailored useful multifunctional options including steam, porridge, casserole, soup, cake baking, crust, tottig, slow cook and yogurt, including 24-hour timer and keep warm function. High quality 5-layer 2mm ninja ceramic coated inner bowl. Durable and healthy with easy to read silk print water level lines and easy lift handles. Stainless steel inner lid including instruction manual, quick start guide, steam basket, rice measuring cup, rice spatula, spatula holder and soup ladle. Step into the future of rice cooking. Modern, ice blue, crisp, bright LED display, 10-minute countdown for the rice functions, Korean Modich control panel and 3D multi-phased heating technology in a stylish glossy body with our signature brushed silver lid. Versatile size. 8 cups capacity of uncooked rice, 1 to 8 people, 120V, 60 Hz with detachable US plug. 2-year warranty included as standard from the manufacturer. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.